Hello everyone, welcome to food cooking. Today I am going to share a cheesy sandwich recipe for cheese lover. To make this sandwich we need 4 pieces of bread slice. First cut around the bread. Then here I take 3 boiled potatoes, break the potatoes. Now add salt according to taste, then add half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon chili flakes. Now I will give cheese. I have used 3 types of cheese here, mozzarella, processed and slice. You can make it using any type of cheese you want. I have not mentioned the amount of cheese here, you can add more or less as you like. Now add 1 teaspoon pizza seasoning. Now mix all the ingredients together well. Now I will apply the filling on the bread. I did not use butter here. You can put it if you want. Then put a cheese slice on it and put another piece of bread slice. Gently press it. Take a pan, add a little bit of butter. Gently place sandwich on the pan. Toast both sides of the sandwich well. I will apply a little more butter on the other side. Gently flip it. When done, take it down, cut it and serve it. Our creamy, cheesy, hot sandwich are ready. I serve it with ketchup. Enjoy!